Talk to me, man of God.
Angel of God. Papa is by the name Awudu. Awudulai.
Awudu.
Awudulai.
Awudulai.
Yes, angel.
Abudulai or Awudu?
Awudu. Awudulai.
Awudulai.
Yes, angel.
Okay.
He fell sick and went to European hospital at Takoradi. They diagnosed him and said he's HIV positive, as you've said. For 1 year now, that Papa is suffering from HIV.
So after HIV, what happened to him?
Angel, he's totally paralyzed. Now he cannot walk.
From HIV, when Yana became totally
Paralyzed.
For how many?
For 1 year now.
1 year now.
Yes, angel.
Special President Papa is by the name Aminu Abdullahi. 1 year ago, he fell sick and went to the hospital at
European hospital at Takoradi.
European hospital with the same name, and he was diagnosed of having HIV. Special President, because of the HIV, he has been paralyzed for 1 year now. He is not walking. He has been paralyzed and he's in a wheelchair.
Okay, a woman say when you HIV, what would be a 1 year? Piano, but I'm sure maybe HIV one drew. Why? Let me show you my idea.
Push him, bring him towards me so that I will know the level of the HIV virus, how they have suppressed his immune system. Special President, let's explain something here for the viewers and anybody here to understand certain things clearly. Somebody is in this auditorium and another person who is watching me in his house will say that, how can someone who is suffering from HIV get paralyzed? Let me explain to you. This HIV virus, when they come into your body, they are like foreign soldiers. They will fight against some substance in your body which are called your immune system. They are your personal soldiers that fight against the foreign soldiers that are coming. So the HIV virus are very strong. The external soldiers, they will fight your immune system, the white blood cells, which are your personal soldiers, so that they will be very down. And when it is down, anything can happen to you that can get you paralyzed. So please don't be confused. It can happen to anybody at any point in time.
He will die.
He will die. Looking at him, he has got to the latent stage. That is the final stage. Latent stage. As I was talking about, this is purely immunosuppression. The HIV virus has overshadowed the immune system, the white blood cells. Looking at him, this is final stage, latent stage. Latent stage. Yes. As you can see, the HIV virus has overshadowed the immune system, the WBCs, the white blood cells, which may fight against them. So it is in the latent stage, the final stage.
And yet,
it is very bad. Very bad.
Because we should be more many krana washama at any time. We'll do last stage.
That is the latent stage of HIV.
Should there be money or money? Any you. So inside the America say be in the bay.
It shall never be well.
Nanim nyina nye ne nsa ho nye ne nan ho nye we na wo hwa na say ne body nyina na de no aye enye ne nsa ne nan nanim kura egu the whole body ti moja na say emoja na say.
Yes, it has affected the entire body because the HIV virus has indeed overshadowed all the white blood cells, the red blood cells, almost all the blood cells in the body. It has really gotten to the latent stage.
Let me see your hand. Let me see your palm.
Hey, Angel. This man is not suffering from one sickness. This is a referral letter from Takoradi Hospital. The name Amadou Abdullahi. He is suffering from one, pulmonary tuberculosis. Tuberculosis that has affected the lungs. RVI. RVI is basically HIV/AIDS, retroviral infection. That is another name. He is also suffering from anemia. That is low level of hemoglobin, less than 10 grams per deciliter. That is anemia. He is also suffering from disseminated myelinosis. Big. He is also suffering from gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis, that is gastro, stomach, enteritis, intestine. Intestine and stomach. Any food that falls into his stomach, he will pass out feces. Gastroenteritis, due to some specific bacteria that may cause it. So this man is really sick. Very, very sick. That is why he is paralyzed, and looking at the skin, it is even flaking. His skin is even flaking because of the immunosuppression due to the human immune deficiency virus, HIV virus, that has suppressed his immune system.
The way I see a sena ebubu na ebu okra no nipa 5 okra peja no kra edi ni gina okra won timi nyina ho because ayen totally pala emoja na sei kase ni nyina sei emwa no ho odin pa.
Yes, because of the invasion of the HIV virus that has suppressed his immune system, that has got him paralyzed. And he was asked to go through a lot of tests. HCT-PCV, the RBC, that is red blood cells. He also had WBC test, that is white blood cells, neutrophils, lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophils, basophils, platelets, and the likes. And almost every one of them.
But do you know something?
Yes, when the Lord comes in, it shall be well. Oh yes, we believe that. We believe that. Yes, we believe that when the Lord comes in, it shall be well. When the Lord comes in, it shall be well.
But
human wisdom, it shall never be well.
Because many people are making my man. Don't know when you're HIV. Mojana say, Casena say, a bubu negu for 1 year. They say, Bibi no met my baby. Just a me piano than a court. Near the Nico fee. Na me ya me bofu jumana sebe ya. Because bofu juma dear. Mini limit. Me bofu juma dear me the bemua ebeye. Why not me bofu humanity? Do you believe my spiritual works? My angelic work? When I apply my spiritual works, when I apply my angelic work for him, he will be healed. He will be healed.
Spiritual president, the case is very serious. Looking at him, his blood system is very terminated with the HIV virus invasion. It has affected almost all the organs. Look at how the skin has flaked. That has got him paralyzed. That has got him paralyzed. That has got him paralyzed. It shall never be well. I would have to let them push him back home so that I will use my angelic gift to work on him to see if something can happen. But physically, looking at him, it is very serious.
Me patcho monte masena me mayem piano emfa ne nkofie na minye bofudwuma ne wofie ma no why na tem asesa because say no dia ya no physical ne yentimi nya ho hwe ache se me koye me bofudwuma sunsunjuma ma no ne moja na asen no me sesam moja no na ne wedie no so a apro no me sesam ma no why na tem asesa we no nya asole dem ha na wo se meye no ti ote ase Wa wote ase sa. Ono akra wote ase. Eti ye piano. Na de na kona enne ya na dwe ya maye bofutuma ma no.
Physically, nothing can be done about his state.
Repeat.
Physically, nothing can be done about his state and his condition because almost everything is deteriorated down the drain. You are not seeing what I'm seeing. Look at how the skin has flaked. It's very sad. This is immunosuppression. The HIV virus has in fact, and indeed destroyed the entire bloodstream. So I would have to let them push him back to wherever he's coming from so that I will continue with my angelic work to see what I can do about it.
Because me many pa 80 kura pejani chinawa enye.
If I even allow 8 people to lift him up for him to stand, it shall never be well.
20 kura so ni mu pejani chinawa enye because baby I am ebubu ni kasena yemre. Oh, I said dompa wanwa kasea na efrofro. Kasena ntimi nyina ho.
Yes, if I even allow 20 people to hold him to stand, it shall never be well. That is why initially I explained that this is how the HIV virus, this is what they do. They will invade into your bloodstream or your system so that everywhere in your body will be porosity. It will be flaking. Or should I give...
HIV na ya resane ne body ne wedi na apron ho ya leseo me ka me ma ho ode na me wo sesia na me de nante no minyi me de ne kakrama no.
Yes,
said you already yi Moses adoma chede ma nipa 70 no because Moses ka say Awurade o man ne dɔɔso ma me bre mintimi nhwe o mu nyina Awurade yi aboafo ka won Awurade say be wa yi leaders. Nemo meyi wu Moses wadoma chede na me de ama oni bi. Ti se Moses wadoma chede 100 Awurade yi 60. And Awurade chema obi ya 11 na Awurade yi 70 no chema obi ya 11 na ka Moses de 30. Ti Awurade na yi ne de. Eti de ne wo se Moses ye ma oman no. Oman ne ko we ho a we timi ye. Oman ne ko we wo timi ye. Se Awurade enyi Moses de na bia. Na still a Moses is leader. We ko we ho a ontimi nso ni problem to besa a return na ko Moses ho back. Ti still a bed besa ko si Moses na so. Sane Awurade ye. Eti we se kise me yi me ma ho ode no. Ko me gina me ho ode pa. Kise me yi me ma ho ode ni bi ma no. Na watimi de anante yakọ. Na ni moja na ne body ayale sane makwan ne wo dayim spiritual man. Eno so wan etim asesa.
I would have to take off some of my strength. Then I would impart in him because I have a lot of strength. The same way Moses, the Lord took some of Moses' gift and shared it to about 70 people because there were a lot of people who were on Moses and the Lord saw that no, Moses is really suffering. So he would have to take some of his gift, share it among 70 people so that when the people of Israelite visit these people within the 70, it will be as if they have visited Moses. So I would have to take some of my strength, impart it into him so that he will be strong. Then I will continue with healing him from the HIV and the skin that is rotten.
Me, my whole day will be money spirit. And what I made a cobane spirit. Also, one whole day I would a cobane spirit. Etino don't pay one coca ebubu as say according to Ezekiel 37 34 no wine. Don't pay one coca na ebubu no. Spirit bemwa etiminya ho den. Yeah, wahanyina onipa bia kona wo koba wunya ho den timi koba sei no. Eye humi bi eye spirit Awurade de ewo onipa dua mu a etimi de koba. Timi yi me ma ho den spirit ni bana. Obega me spirit ti afi okwa obi nim ne de ne koba ti afi na enyo no na e onyame tumi e wo me mu ne de ne koba eti fa ne bra na me hwese metimi amani bia.
Yes, I, Angelo Binim, and every human being has a spirit. So it is spirit that keeps you moving up and down. When your spirit is down, you would also be down. So, as in Ezekiel, bones without any flesh, when the spirit of life came into the bones, it had flesh.
But Monkai said, HIV no any body na pro no de ascend de meyen wo henfa. Da yem spiritual. But bubu for 1 year na. Nipa 10 kura so ne mu gina wa wontimi nantene de. Me be hwe na me de meme ahoode ne bi ama no. Me wi a me yibi ma na me ya na meye mre. Me body ni be like meye weak kakra. Me bre but e wo say me yibi ma no. Because munti na Awurade frame.
The HIV/AIDS that has invaded the entire body, that has made him paralyzed, I will go and heal him spiritually. The HIV/AIDS and the skin that has
look at my face. Why?
Look at my face. The HIV/AIDS and the skin that is deteriorating, I will go and heal him spiritually. But for the paralysis, I am giving him some of my strength, some of my spirit, so that he can walk. Because if not that, about 10-20 people will just hold him, but he can never stand on his feet. But I'm giving him some of my strength, though I will feel very weak. But it is because of this the Lord called me.
Wunima wote Emrama ya bro Wunima ni dasu Emrama pabo Enti bwamyo Eradi bwamyo Bwamyo eradi Nama metu Yeah Where are the one name I wanted? I'm wrong, I am bro. Walk on him and eat a soul. I'm wrong, my pabo. It's a boamio. Radi boamio. Yeah, boamia radi. Namametsu. Yeah.
Tap my leg.
Bobio.
Tap my leg.
Bobio.
Tap my leg.
Safa we boha.
Use your left hand to tap my leg.
Bomechi.
Tap my back.
Bobio.
Tap my back.
Obo ema hu de no. Obo wi ema hu de no.
Yes, when he tapped me, have you seen what is happening to him?
Afi ne home na sesa, ne home ne contentem.
Yes, his breath has changed. His breath has changed. He is breathing. His breath has changed. He is breathing faster. He is breathing faster. Yes, after tapping me, he is breathing faster. Another strength, another spirit, another breath has come into his body.
Now, Jesus Christ has healed you.
Jesus Christ has saw your ear.
Touch my heart.
Bomakuma.
Touch my heart.
Bomibo.
Touch my stomach.
Bomiyem.
My abdomen.
Bomiyem.
Touch.
Yes, he has gained another strength.
Question to me, yes, why you every mo? Abaya dear, yes, why you every mo? I'm saying, so yes, why you every mo? And Shena me and a couple of Miami. Question to me, yes, why you every mo? Abaya dear, yes, why you every mo? I'm saying, so yes, why you every mo? And Shena me and a couple of Miami. India do me simu damio. We got a damio. Ashena me, 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 and I'm going to say, what's up? You're not going to go. They want to say that before come over. So they want to hear me for come over. They never made me rock with them. They never made me rock with them. Jesus.
Papa, baby, so why? Oh, I went to my way to me. Midiano.
Where he's your brother.
No. I started all year, no. Maybe catch and there. What you do, you 20 free war. It's a free war. None, son, and none. I started there.
When show you there? Who brought away? Neighbor. Okay.
Everybody started, no, standing in any yakano.
Mamma, I will see a control. Maybe I think what's up. We and your member. We and your member.
Shallow. Let me buy your buses. Say, I'm a phone. I'm sure you with Yama.
Michelle, Michelle, you must make a virgin. Yeah, good morning, Whooper Jesus. I was saying, I was saying, and you did a bear. I'm I am a jet. I was saying, Michelle,
Most sure, my Raho. I wish you are for any buy any issue. Family didn't buy any issue.
Family members who brought him are crying. The family members who brought him are crying, and I'm really sad.
You are the real angel of God. You will be my father for life. I bow to you, Father. Father, I bow to you. Let you be my father for life. Be my savior, my protector, my healer. Thank you, Jesus. I met you. Thank you.
You be God, you not be entered. Now that you be God, you not be entered.
Enter, you are spirit. You are spirit. You are spirit. You are spirit. No sense.
No sense. And the what? And the what?
No sense. One of them.
You wanna me, you wanna me, you wanna be me, you wanna me, I'm your somebody in a echo. You wanna me, I'm your somebody. Oh, how you met you? Oh, you met you. When I'm in a son of your team, you wanna me, I'm your somebody. You wanna me, you know me,
I'm going to be Jim and your body. I fear you.
I got told him.
Angel, we are preoccupied. We are good.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Translator, you can't even talk.
Angel, spiritual president.
Nigeria, I came from Nigeria yesterday night.
You came from Nigeria yesterday night.
I saw you in my television. That's why I located this place. I copied the address. I located yesterday night.
So today is your first day of coming here.
It's the first day I came to this church. Yesterday night, I reached here around after 2 in the night. That is when I came here from Nigeria.
Oh, say you say what?
Nami wa kwentuom. Nami wa berin. Enti na me Julie Irene. Enti na ya visa ewu. Se se akwana me catch sister bi. Enti ya visa ewu no. I was praying say obinim. Adenti na wo Ghana enti wu se me bra na. Enti I was called small pastors. And I catch me say would you papa di.
I say obi a waje visa watu kwa abrochire na o visa ewuo. Enti wuntimi nsa mapa. Come in night.
I mean, make a mitchell. It's in a me bomb pie and a fasting. It's in me catch a madam for Collins. Collins, me cocos to Akotade. No, see, hey, Obin.
What did you or can I say? Baby, air Pablo, the visa neco. I for do one visa ne 20 me. I just say, when you are not that visa, unless you peepers, San Watimia Basana and the Koye.
Yadi stamp. I to me visa and it's visa. It's a me pay a call.
Who calls a cocoa to a cotadier, like or to be a fish and a num.
And a madam only say, hey, or been in Bano, no, and I'm see, hey, Jawasem.
And a woman pies or be say, to me, may be some man of Fabragana, eh, as Sembeni.
Pastor say, me visa ne will make it down bagana. And I see, or so would you papa didn't see I, Papa. Manu is you, me Diana Dominkosha, wouldn't ye gully na doji?
Who me physical. Oh, me both want tabem. Some appear with them home. It is shall it be peer day.
Missy, Papa,
you say what?
Ghana will not enjoy this alone. You have to come to Nigeria.
Ghana will never enjoy this alone.
Enjoy this alone. You will come to Nigeria.
I should come to Nigeria.
Yes, sir. Ghana will not enjoy this alone. You will come to Nigeria.
Papa, me catch a Julie say. So we see Papa di share. Se ma share Papa bi wo costo or see obema mi visa. And also obua. On ma visa bia. On ma mi visa. Ama masa bagana. Mi baga.
Who ko ta de na wo share Papa bi wo costo ho.
Mi share Papa bi wo costo. Wo ye kokoti say wo. Before no way. Na ka mi use picture na.
And also obema visa mo bagana.
Before no way. Me see visa no on mami. E mami bagana no ka chem.
And say wo Ghana.
And I'll be some say me wo estate I met him and I see debut or see share me fear never on me yirewu eti fasa fie no
eti wo fasa fie no physical ke ogofa ne funa be yi picture no
Me usaso
uhu me saso
usaso God of here you are too much. Are very serious. Me baby am fi pa ma be no nwa or serious. Who too much. Ghana for you are the papa. Me say be as some Ghana ha. You when you are to free. Na ye we juma. El buon ko fo pa. Na me kwadum pejo ai.
I never see you before. Today I want to see you. And I want come to touch you.
You want to touch me just like that? Just touch.
I see watching you for TV to happen, and I didn't sleep
Okay. Sit down. Moment in shoe or so benum shoe. O first visa ni. When they woo no. One way ne visa na ewu na o ma cancel mu no. E na we so ne new one na papa no ejema no no e wo ho no. Passport na wo say new one. No say another visa man e bra ho no. O twa another visa. Okay. Let's go and sit down. Okay. O say
Papa na mission no costo na o ma me fie nu onu nie sesi a afie nu etwa me niam ni nyina na ewo mu no no
ekifie no de a che oni nso anie
afie so ani nie
ki papa na o sha no costo no nie e na afie no de che oni nso anie
nie etitisi a o si eya me wo fie a meni nka nti wato anuma abra me eni ne waya anuma kokko bu ama me so that me ni me your mood say a friend.
You say what?
But I say,
what's it mean there?
Mister, do all for me. Do all for me.
I should do all for you. Okay, let's go and sit down. Men show me. Let's go.
What do you think? Why ne kasiye? Yeah, you are yo. What do you think? Why ne kasiye? Yeah, ma wuso. What do you think? Why ne kasiye? That's a bracket to get your coupon way. What do you think? Why ne? I don't quiet it. I don't quiet it. I don't quiet it. Put our hands in it when you're young.
Oh, be sorry.
They want to make our Calvary. Oh, in Wana not is our we are young, what's it but a door? What are you in the one young Shamo? They want to make our Calvary. I don't want to be Mr. Wana not is our worship way. We are young, we are young, we are young. What's it want? Oh, sister, what do not have your work as ever was what you yet? What's it want? Oh, sister, what do not have your work as ever was what you when you take quiet, the see, watch him way, what you must say. I don't quiet, 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 the see. Hey, you are, that's a beret. What do man come? I do man come, I do man come, I do man come, I don't quiet, the see. One day I take quiet, 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 one day I take quiet. What you would your summer so good? Yabudina Kotadina Rakutu. Will be at the car. What's this hour? Nasiburia, we are the mere, what's it for? Why do you want your summer so good? Abudina, Nasiburia, what do I come here? Will be at the war, will be at the war, what's this hour? We are the mere, what's it for? What's it for? What's this hour? What do you know? Because I'm not so you yet. What's it? What's it? Oh, sister, what do you know? Because I'm quiet. I see. Whether you are you, too quiet. I 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 too Jehovah Nissi, El Shaddai, Yameno, Atem Quiet and Cassia.
Mumad Yawafanim fa Mumad Yawin Sakanim Fanamunai, Mubati to suit, you know.
Let the one who has picked the suit pick it. You are all struggling.
Matateno Kra. And the Yawati, wow, over Tibiano, the Over Tibiano, and your Sikamau.
Anybody who has torn some,
Yoba Tibiano, and your baby Papa Mount.
any part you've torn, may it turn into something good for you.
Hey, Tobo, what TBA? What TBA? What TB? Mamesha, what do you know? Okay, we are TB. Okay, also, Mamesha, what do you know? Also, what TB? Also, what TB? What you ten and Sano, and a bow and Sano. Also, what TB? Also, the bow Tino. And a Martin and a Bobono. And a Martin. Dear Martino, MUC Kama, also what TB.
Any part you've torn, may it turn into something good for you.
Still, I'm going to Teno. Hey, Eurate. Hey, Eurate. Africa fire ward Ghana. Receive your blessings in Jesus' name.
Receive.
Kakrabia won sakabia ebe yen shirama ho. Still amugu so ko atade no suit no jacket no.
Any peace you will get, it will be a blessing for you.
You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still won't be enough. When you heal, you'll completely. What shall I render unto Jehovah? Oh, he has done so very much for me. What shall I render unto Jehovah? Oh, he has done so very much for me.
The one who has got hold of it, leave it for the person to pick it.
One play ministry. What you are showing 5 times. What you are showing 5. Nina engineer.
I've I've established a church for 5 times. It all collapsed. I am suffering, angel.
Today I have changed your life.
Amen. Jesus.
And I said, Munyami and Kasami body cry, I'm over you. Munyami and Kasami body, I'm over.
When we get your body, we shall chew you. We shall chew you. Angel, how precious you are to us. What we want to do to you, not tearing suit.
Go and sit down.
What can I say?
What shall I render unto Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall